Hey guys, Jeff at Auto Sauce. Today we're going to go over how to ceramic coat a wrapped vehicle. We're going to use our Auto Sauce ceramic wrap sauce, and our model today is this brand new Mercedes S580 that was just wrapped in satin black. So we've got all our stuff here. We've got our wrap sauce kit, and then I've got some blueberry microfibers, and of course I've got some latex gloves, because I don't want my hands to be hydrophobic after all. I want to protect those. So let's get to it, all right? All right, we've got our kit here, unboxed, our ceramic sauce booster, our ceramic wrap sauce, our applicator instructions, and our verification tag that we'll put on afterwards. I also got some blueberry microfibers and my gloves. So we're going to glove up, and we're going to do what we call priming the pad. So we got our applicator here. Shake up our thing real quick. I'm going to put quite a bit, probably 20 or so drops on here, just all over. And then I'm going to squeeze the pad. This is called priming the pad. What this does is it puts a lot of the stuff inside, and then we're ready to go. So now that I've done that, I'm going to now put just a few drops across the top, and we're ready to start applying. I always start at the hood first, work my way clockwise around the car. So what you're going to do, start the hood, and I'm just going to go down around the emblem, back up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down, and across, just to make sure I don't have any spots that I've missed. Now, as you can see, it's starting to haze a little bit, and so now I'm going to grab my microfiber, and I'm going to buff this area out. And I'm just going to continue doing this. Hey guys, that is it. We did 2 coats of the ceramic wrap sauce on this Mercedes. We're going to now just let it cure. Now's a good time to walk around, check for any high spots, low spots, buff those out. I use my buffing towel that I use to remove the coating. It has a lot of stuff on it, so it can help spread, and even out the coating on there. So that being said, we're going to let this thing sleep overnight, come back, we'll spray the booster on it,
We'll let that cure, and then we'll get this thing out of here and on to the next car. Axel and I, we're going to go home. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.